Hey, what's up, guys?
Hi.
We're at the mall for our friend Jenna's party.
We're always at the mall.
I know, I feel that's all we ever do.
Actually, I feel like we haven't been to the mall in a while. Or at least I haven't.
That's true. I mean, if we really want to know, I can always check my vlogs.
Sure.
We were in Spencer's, like, checking stuff out.
The sex Bible.
And sex checks.
And sex checks.
And we were discussing what one we would put that they didn't have that we would put in there. What would you put in there? What for you would be a sex check? Like, what would you turn in and be like, I want this?
I don't know. I haven't really thought about it.
I think about it quite frequently.
I know you do. I don't know.
Come on, man.
It would take me a while to think about it.
Okay, think about
It
it.
had to be like perfect.
It had to be like perfect. You could add another one if you wanted it. It's not, you have a limited amount of sex checks. What if you have like 30 sex checks you're allowed to...
Say like kitchen sex.
What? Why?
I just feel like there's a lot of stuff you could use.
Just be like, hey, here's a spatula. And then like hit him upside the face with it.
Yeah, exactly.
Sure. And then like, here's a wooden spoon and then you can be, I'll beat you like your dad used to.
Oh, I don't know if I'd go that far.
I think you would.
I was saying more like maybe syrup or something. Maybe some oils.
Like food sex. You'd be like, here's some cornstarch and whip it on you.
No, not like fried chicken. Like that's just weird.
You could be like,
you know, normal stuff like whipped cream.
You could be like,
like oils for like, you know,
like cooking oil.
I don't know, like olive oil or something like that.
Okay, sure, we'll go with that.
Syrup.
And then you can pour some milk on him and then be like, here's some cereal, and then eat the milk and cereal on it while he's out. Just, you could use his belly button as a bowl, Julian. You would do that. You would totally do that.
No, that's what Jello shots are for.
That's true. You could do that too, I guess. Yeah, man, we're totally ditched.
I think
That's
we were
okay.
ditched.
That's okay. My sex check would be that I wanted to walk in on me on accident.
Doing himself.
Yeah. I mean, just saying.
So she's all like, oh, you started without me.
Yeah.
Why don't I help you finish?
Yeah.
And then he's all like,
yeah, like get
I
it.
got you.
Get it, yeah. But like, if I turned in this accidental, it has to be on accident. We can't plan it, otherwise it's not the same.
yeah, it's not.
So
You gotta leave like him. You gotta be like.
Like, I want her to really think about it. Be like, okay, he's home alone right now. Do I go now? Is he like... He's probably doing it, let's be honest.
Right, if he's alone by himself.
We actually thought you were
You
left.
guys left.
No, yeah, we were like, oh man, did they leave us? We were in there looking at sex checks. What?
Fireworks is to do on video and then fix it later.
Yeah, that's what I do.
I know, I tried when I was in PA last year to get pictures of
Yeah, it's impossible to get a good picture because you'll be like, oh man, there's a perfect picture time. And then by the time it actually takes a picture, it's gone.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what I do. I just take a video. today. Make sure you guys subscribe. Stay safe. Bye.